Introducing the second generation Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tabletop Heater. Control your heater right from your phone, wherever you are, using the free Atomi Smart app, or control the smart heater using simple voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Alexa, turn on heater. The smart heater's 360-degree tip-over safety switch automatically shuts off the heater if tipped over and instantly sends you a phone notification. The Cool Touch housing and handle allows for easy movability, and with overheat protection, your home is always safe. The powerful yet whisper-quiet heater quickly heats up using its ceramic heating technology. The Atomi Smart Wi-Fi Tabletop Heater, the smart and safe way to keep your rooms warm.
Introducing Mode, the world's first toothbrush that charges and docks without wires. Mode is engineered with an aluminum handle and rubber finish. The brush heads feature soft, tapered bristles for a deeper clean. Mode is powered by 38,000 sonic vibrations that clean the teeth like never before. The brush lives on the magnetic charging dock and keeps your bathroom counters clear. At night, Mode transforms your bathroom space with a built-in nightlight. Mode makes the routine of brushing a thrilling experience.
What if everything you drink could be created uniquely for you? From cold brew to seltzers to wine and cocktails, made just the way you like. Always stocked and ready with the push of a button. Meet Cana 1, the world's first molecular beverage printer. The fact is, every beverage you drink is mostly water. Only a fraction of its molecular structure contributes to its flavor and aroma. Cana figured out how to isolate those molecules to rebuild beverages at the molecular level. This single reusable cartridge of universal ingredients, combined with the water from your tap, can create thousands of different beverages with virtually zero waste, so you can easily enjoy all your favorites. Discover unique and exciting new brands, sample cocktails from around the globe, and explore the latest creator originals.
Hi friends, swipe up to check out my new recovery drink.
Exclusively on Cana 1. Customize every drink, reduce sugar, adjust alcohol, combine flavors, add nutrients, and find your perfect taste. Drink up to 3 months of your favorite beverages from a single Cana 1 cartridge. And when you're running low, Cana will automatically send refills to your door so you're always stocked and ready. Plus, every cartridge can be reused up to 12 times, further helping remove millions of bottles and cans from our landfills. So say goodbye to all that manufactured waste and pollution, and say hello to Cana, and a future that's better for you and kinder to our planet. Cana 1. Join the movement and pre-order today.
where does all the poop go? I'm glad you asked.
When your cat exits the litter robot, a timer counts down, allowing the litter to clump before the cleaning cycle begins. As the globe slowly rotates using patented sifting technology, it separates the dirty clumps from the clean litter and collects them into a fully enclosed, carbon-filtered waste drawer below. Ah, technology. The Litter Robot automatic litter box is both designed and assembled right here in the USA for over 20 years.
Close the roller shade.
Aqara, continuous connection.
Say hello to Wemo Mini, the smart plug that makes your life truly comfortable. Mini can help you get your day started, or give power to your voice.
Turn off the kitchen.
Wemo Mini can also give you peace of mind. You can also schedule Mini to make your life easier and welcome you home.
Turn on the home. Turn off the bedroom.
The Geneverse Home Power 2 is the first emergency backup power solution designed specifically for the modern home. It gives users portable emergency power when and wherever needed.
Everyone can relate to that moment when the power is unexpectedly shut off in your home. Having a powerful backup solution can be a lifesaver. The ability to keep the fridge cold, mobile phones charged, and medical devices running can be absolutely essential for the entire family. A lot of thought went into the design of the Home Power 2. We wanted to elevate the product visually and design something truly unique. And it's simple to use. No installation needed. Turn it on, plug in, and you've got power.
During an unexpected blackout, we wanted the Home Power 2 to be able to be moved quickly and effortlessly. We focused on a vertical format. We placed the EV-grade power cells in the base, creating a smaller overall footprint. The waist-height handle makes it easy to move the unit throughout the home. Combined with the accessory wheel cart, the Home Power 2 can effortlessly roll to where it's needed most. The wheel cart is removable and magnets help it snap back into place.
Most other traditional batteries lose power after a few months. The Geneverse Home Power 2 holds a charge for over a year, plus it's ultra fast to recharge.
We integrated the Home Power 2 with a large LCD screen. It has an intuitive interface that gives real-time status on power input and output.
The Home Power 2 is the perfect emergency power solution for all homes and offices. It produces cleaner, smoother, quieter, and more reliable electricity than other units on the market. It's perfect for operating appliances, electronics, and medical equipment without interference.
Beautifully crafted, efficiently packaged, easy to move and use, the Geneverse Home Power 2 is the first emergency backup power solution designed for the modern home. To learn more, go online to Geneverse.com.